someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello. If you're not new, welcome back. For those that are new, I go by the Fashion Doll, and here on my channel you will find vlogs, try on hauls, unboxing videos, luxury, everything. Like, I'm into everything fashion related, makeup. So if that's something you're interested in, then go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also hit that post notification bell button so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So today I am excited because I am going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing video for you guys on the Toiletry Pouch 26. So if this is something you are interested in, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I have the box here. I'm not going to turn the front around because of my personal information, but we are going to unbox this together, and then I am going to give you guys details on how to get this bag, because I did not know it was so hard to get until I started doing my research. But it was like a piece of cake for me, and I just can't believe it. So this box comes sealed, and it always come in a more discreet box, so you know nobody knows what it is. I'm gonna tell y'all how I got my hands on it so y'all will have an idea of why I ordered this on, not even online, but how I got it. Okay y'all, so this is the box, and when you open it, it has, oh my god, bear with me y'all, hope my elbows ain't ashy. Lord, if it is, ignore that y'all. The focus is the bag, okay? So it comes with a bubble wrap on top, then it's wrapped nicely. Oh, and then it also have a bag in here, so you'll get your standard Louis Vuitton bag, yay, which we like. My receipt is right here. Oh my god, okay, come on receipt. I'll take it from this way. Okay, it's my receipt, and then it just have my client advisor name right here, and then my store receipt. So this is where I got it from, all the information, all that good stuff. So let's just unbox it, and then we'll get into the details. So, oh my god, the bow's so pretty. I'm just gonna take it off. And bam. So of course the magnetic box, and it comes in the dust bag, and this is what she's looking like. Oh my god, oh, isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? She's cute. So mine says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. So I know everybody's is different. Either it's made in, what is it? Let me get it together. Okay, so if you purchase this bag, of course right here it'll tell you if it was made in France, Spain, Italy, or the US. So mine says Spain. It is so freaking gorgeous. This is the Toiletry Pouch 26 inch. This is so freaking nice. It has leather in the inside. Just come with your coated fabric detailed card. Then of course it has the serial number. And what else? We have the barcode and the price. So this bag retail for $580 with tax. It is $614.80. So I've been hearing that this bag is super hard to get your hands on, but I'm gonna tell y'all how I got my hands on this bag. So as you can see in the front, the LVs are going up, and the back is upside down. That's because they use one piece of fabric and folded. This has a gold strap, not gold strap, a gold zipper. And the reason why I got this bag is because you can use this bag for more than one thing. So I plan on wearing this as a clutch, a crossbody, and also a shoulder bag. I'm gonna do a separate video because I did order accessories for this, like the organizer, a couple of chains and everything. So once I get all that, that'll be a whole nother video on how to style this bag and where to get all that good stuff from. But this is real cute. And then of course you can use it for a toiletry bag, a makeup bag, whatever you choose to use it for. It's really up to you. So let me tell y'all how I got this bag. I'm just browsing the internet and I see this bag. I'm like, this is really cute. I'm like, I want that bag. So I go on their website, of course, and it's sold out. I'm like, okay, no biggie. When it come back in stock, I'll get it, because I noticed a lot of their items is out of stock. So I'm like, well, let me hit up my SA and see if she have the bag. So my SA is out in Las Vegas. I believe she worked at the Little Caesars Farm store. So I reached out to her. I texted her and I said, I sent her a picture, I think. Or no, I didn't send her a picture. I believe let me get my phone out so I can tell y'all exactly how it went and how I got it. Okay, so I texted her on a Sunday, which was April the 18th, and today is April the 25th. So I texted her on April the 18th on a Sunday, and I said, hey, do you have the Toiletry Pouch 26 available? And she texted me back with the picture of the bag, if you can see, and she said, hey, sorry, we didn't receive this today. So I said, okay, thank you. She said, I'll keep you posted when one does come in. And I said, thank you so much. I will be needing 2 of them because I wanted one for me and one for my mom. So she texted me literally the next day, Monday at 4:34, and she said, hey, I have a Toiletry 26 in store. So I said, okay, I would like to buy it. So she said she was going to send me the payment link. Now let me tell y'all, I literally went back and forth with her for about an hour to 2 hours, like no lie, like trying to get this bag. She kept saying she was sending me the link through my email. It wasn't going through. So I'm like, hey, I really want this bag. Is there any way you can resend the link or assist me any other way? So she was like, well, you can just send me your card information. Now they are not supposed to take your card information at all, not through their phone. They're always supposed to send you the link to make your payment. But I'm like, kind of iffy, like still, you know, that's my card. If anything happened, if she was to lose her phone or whatever, like my card information is just out there. So I was thinking about it. I took a big pause, and then she texted me back like, I think it's going to go through this time. And then I got an email, so I went ahead and purchased it. So I made the purchase on a Monday, right? Let me see. I made the purchase on a Monday and I got the bag on a Friday. And I'm just like super excited to have it. It is so freaking cute. Like you can dress this down, you can dress it up. Like how cute, how cute. Like I'm super excited. Mom wanted this bag, so I've been stalking the website within them little days because she didn't have 2. So we called for my mom bag and they said, well, we're not showing any of these bags anywhere. Try going into the store. It's showing that your store may have a few, and Saks Louis Vuitton store may have some. So literally yesterday, I think yesterday was Saturday. Yeah, Saturday, me and my mom went to Saks Fifth. We went to the Louis Vuitton store there, and they had 1 available, y'all. 1 left, and she said she just got it in. I ended up buying that one, and yeah, like My mom like so geek, she got it. Like we were so happy because we really wanted this, and I've been hearing it's so freaking hard to get. So my tip to you is, if you have an SA, try to reach out to your SA. If you have more than one SA, reach out, because they're in store, so they have a better chance of getting it than one of the representatives on the phone. They kind of give you the runaround, where we'll send the email to the store, and hopefully the store will reach back to you within 48 hours. Nobody reached back to me when I was trying to get my mom bag, so we did, like I said, we left up on one, and I am extremely happy about my purchase. I think this is real cute, real stylish, very affordable. If you are looking into starting you a designer collection or a LV collection, you should definitely get this. Okay, so this is the monogram canvas gold brass zip closure with a leather tab. This is the only leather that's on here. It is a washable liner in the inside, so you are able to wash this. Of course, I am going to get an organizer so this don't get dirty. And then also, guys, this, I believe this was it was cheaper before the price increase. I don't know how much it was, but it did go up, so it will be worth, like later on, if you sell it, you might be able to get the same value you paid for it for this. But as of now, I hear this is real hard to get, and I am happy I got it. If you are interested in getting this, I guess I will recommend you to check the website, or like I said, SA will really help you out. I feel like that's how I was able to get mine. And try going into the store. Also check the site, because it could come back on the site, but I would definitely like go in the store like me and my mom did to find this bag. But yeah, I really love it. I'm really happy with my purchase, and it was worth every bit of it. I needed something small but not too big and classy, like for my nighttime outfits. So yeah, she's a beauty, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.